You guys can see what I stalled the tractor on. You see this log here? I originally was going to have the nose cone over these logs so we'd ride over it, and obviously one of the logs went under it, and as a result it stalled the machine. So I'm just going to cut this log here it's stuck on, and then we'll continue pulling. Alright guys, well that didn't exactly go to plan. The third log that I had hooked up there, it just dug into the hill. That nose cone back there, that should have been in place on this and allowed it to ride up and over. What I'm going to do now, instead of fighting with it, I think I'm just going to cut a foot off there or so with the chainsaw, then we'll re-rig it. I'll show you how you should properly put the nose cone, and that'll allow it to ride up and over. Anyways, you live and you learn. Got a little lazy there. I probably should have just re-rigged it the first time around, and well, that's what happens when you try to take shortcuts. You get burned. Well, that should pull up and in there. If it doesn't, I guess we'll re-rig it. So that should do it. Okay. Let's try her again. That over there. Well, I wish this nose cone was about twice as big in this case. I'm going to try to take both of these logs. In hindsight, I probably shouldn't have cut it to length. I didn't know going forward how I was going to get it out of here. If I would have left it as one length, I probably would have been all right. But anyways, let's see if we can pull two out of here. And if we can, great. And if we can't, well, such is life. Okay, well, I got to tell you guys, that is a lot of work. Don't let the camera fool you here. I've been going up and down this hill for the last while. I don't know how many trips I made up and down here, but I'd imagine it's more than 25, and probably that's being conservative. This is tough terrain as well. If we look over this way, You guys can see that's a pretty steep hill there, and there's all kinds of roots and ruts and all kinds of logs. And anyways, that's a lot of work, but it is definitely rewarding. If we look behind me here, I have a number of logs. Some of these will be saw logs, meaning I take them over to the sawmill and make them into lumber. You look at these two right here, those are beauties. Now probably about 2 feet of the end has a bit of rot to it, hence why it fell over. But by the time I cut that off, that will make some beautiful lumber. The rest of it, it is going to be firewood, and I towed it up here, or winched it up here, so that I didn't have to cut it up into pieces and throw it into some sort of a sleigh down there and bring it up here. This just makes it a lot easier. Anyways, one final thing here. You guys would have seen me using that nose cone. And although I forgot to use the nose cone on the first pull, ever since then I kept using it, and it made my life a lot easier. You would have seen the logs sort of go around trees and up and over stumps with ease. Before I had this nose cone on, you would have seen me hit stumps and jam the nose of the log underneath stuff in the ground and get stuck. And I've installed the tractor once, so having that nose cone is definitely a great thing. I'm out of breath. Anyways, if we look around, I have endless supply of timber here, and it's not by choice. I would have chosen just to have the forest remain, but because the wind keeps coming and the trees keep falling, I got a lot more work to do, like that one and that one and that one and that one, and however many over that way. Anyways, if you guys have any questions at all about my Wallenstein FX85, my tractor, any of the equipment I've been using here today, I'd be happy to tell you what little I know. And by all means, if you know something that I don't, make sure you share it down below in the comments. You guys all take care, get out there, enjoy yourselves. Maybe winch a few logs, cut a few logs, make some lumber, enjoy yourself. As always, take care. See you next time. And oh yeah, if you guys haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a like-a-roo if you did like it. See you next time.